Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to safely create your first MetaMask wallet. MetaMask remains one of the most popular safe self-custody wallets for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain and decentralized applications. In order to create a new wallet for MetaMask, first of all, download and install MetaMask from your App Store or Google Play Store and launch it open. In the first welcome screen, click on Get Started. On the next page, click on Create a new wallet. Now, you'll need to create a password so that you can unlock MetaMask on the device. Enter a strong password in the first field. On the next field, type down the new password once again. Click on this little square box at the bottom indicating that if I forget the password, MetaMask can't record it for me, so make sure you remember the password well. If you want to unlock MetaMask with Face ID, you can toggle on the button at the bottom. If not, leave it unchecked and click on Create Password. On the next page, click on Get Started to secure your wallet. Confirm your password once again, type it down on the next page and click on Confirm. Tap on the box to reveal your secret phrases first and make sure no one is watching your screen, and then you can write it down in the correct order and keep it safe. Now click on the Continue button and on the next page, confirm your recovery phrases by typing it down in the correct order. Make sure to choose the phrases corresponding to the numbers and select them in the correct order. Finally, click Continue once done. And once you have the right answer, click on the I agree button on the next page and your wallet is ready. And there you have successfully created a new wallet for MetaMask. As long as you have the written phrases in a safe place, you can easily get access to your wallet. So that's how you can easily and safely create and use your MetaMask wallet in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.